In a land not so far away, there lived 4 friends who were quite special. These friends were not ordinary at all. They were the elementals. There was Fyro, the fiery and brave spirit of fire; Aquina, the calm and gentle water master; Terran, the strong and steady earth guardian; and Zephyr, the cheerful and swift air sprite. Together, they balanced the elements, ensuring their world stayed in harmony. One sunny day, while playing by the crystal-clear pond, they noticed something alarming. The water level was dropping quickly, and the usually vibrant plants began to wilt. Alarmed, Aquina dipped her hand into the pond and felt the water's distress. "We must find out what's happening," she exclaimed worryingly. Without wasting any time, Fyro ignited a small flame on his palm. "Let's go. We need to find the source of this problem," he said determinedly. The friends started their journey, trekking through the dense forests and climbing the rocky mountains. Along the way, they encountered many challenges. Terran used his strength to move large boulders blocking their path, and Zephyr used her swift winds to blow away the thick cobwebs. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they stumbled upon an old, abandoned mine. A chilling wind blew from its entrance. "This place gives me the creeps," Zephyr whispered, fluttering nervously. "We have to be brave," Fyro reassured her, his flame glowing brighter with encouragement. Inside the mine, they found an ancient machine draining water from underground springs, causing the disturbance. Fyro's flames illuminated the cavern, revealing rusty gears and leaking pipes. Aquina felt the suffering water's plea for help. "I can fix this," she said, concentrating hard. With a wave of her hand, she summoned streams of water, rust dissolving away as pipes started mending themselves. Terran used his strength to crush the machine parts beyond repair, ensuring they could do no more harm. As the water began to flow back into the springs, plants outside started to bloom again. The friends cheered, knowing they had succeeded. The elementals had restored balance once more. They returned to their pond, where the water sparkled joyfully and vibrant flowers danced in the breeze. "We did it," Terran grinned, wiping a bit of dirt from his brow. "Together, nothing can stop us." And so, the elementals continued their guardianship over the land, always ready to restore harmony with their unique powers and unbreakable friendship. The end.